Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome videos. In this video we are going to see that how can we change the language in Google Chrome. By default, when you open Google Chrome, your default language is English, but if you don't want English to be the language, you want to change it, or by mistake your language is showing as something else, maybe a Spanish, a Chinese, or a French, but you want to switch back to English. So how are you going to do that in Chrome? This is what we will discuss in this video. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into the topic. The process is very simple. The steps you need to follow are: the first step is to open up your Chrome browser. Once you have opened it up, go to the top right corner and click on these three dots and go to the settings option. This will bring up Chrome settings page, and this pretty much gives you the freedom to customize everything that you want for Google Chrome. Now here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna search for language like this. So you will get this language option. Let's just see what all we have. So we are having order languages based upon your preferences, and over here you can see the English is selected and United States English is selected, to be more precise. If you just click on these three dots, you will get the option display Google Chrome in this language. Make sure it is checked, then only the Google Chrome will be displayed in this particular language. If it is checked for other language, maybe you have added 2 to 3 languages in your preferences, like over here you can see there are 2 languages that are added to my preference. First is English of United States, and then second is the normal English. Okay, so based upon your preferences you can add more languages, and on the basis of that you can just select which language you want your Chrome to be visible in. So in my case, Google Chrome is visible in the English of United States, and in case you want that maybe you are visiting a page that is written in some other language and you want Chrome to give you an option of translating the pages into the English of United States or the language that you have selected, then you can just click on this second option, the second checkbox option over here. Next language we have is a normal English, not a United States English, but a normal English. If you just click on 3 dots, you will again have this option. You will have the option to translate the pages. You will have the option to move it to the top, because this is not the first preference of the language, but if you want to change your language preferences, from here you can change it. Now if you just click on add language, here we will have a bunch of other languages which you can add. Suppose I want to add Hindi, so I just search for Hindi and Hindi is there, so I can just add it. Click on the checkbox. I want to add multiple languages. Let's say I also want to add Spanish, so let's just search for Spanish. Click on the checkbox and click on add. So you can now see Hindi and Spanish both are added. My first preference is English of United States, second is English, third is Hindi, and fourth is Spanish. In case you want to remove this language, you want to remove a particular language, you can just click on these 3 dots and click on remove. That language would be removed. In case you want to add it back, suppose I just want to add Hindi again, so let me just search for Hindi, click on the checkbox and add it. Now if you want to, let's say, move Hindi on the 3rd place after English, I want Hindi, so I can just say move up, and this has moved above Spanish. Now I want to remove Spanish, so let's just remove this Spanish language. Okay, next option we have is offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. So if this is the case, that you want to translate the pages, then you can make sure this option is turned on. Otherwise you can always toggle it to off. Next we have is the settings for the spell check. So if you want a basic spell check to be performed by Google Chrome, then this basic spell check is selected. Chrome also gives you an option of enhanced spell check that will actually give you more options for spelling check, but it is always recommended to use extensions instead of going for this enhanced spell check in Chrome. So if you are enabling the spell check, you can also select the languages on which you want a spell check. I want a spell check on English of United States. I also want a spell check on Hindi. So these 2 I have selected. If I want to customize my spell check, I can just add a new word. Maybe I want to add my name so that it does not gets confused. And my name is like, let's say we have a normal English word apple. Okay, so this is what I want to add as my name. APPLEE. So if you just add this word, then this is a valid word according to Chrome, this is like creating your own dictionary, and now this word would be removed from the spell check, like this won't be taken into account. So if we just remove this word by clicking on the cross icon and go back, so here are all the options that we have. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.